Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Walmart's Curbside Pickup. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the search bar where you can search everything at Walmart online and in store. In the top right corner, we have your items, the account, and your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Walmart's Curbside Pickup. So it is pretty convenient. You just need to firstly, of course, go and log into your profile. Then navigate to the pickup and delivery section. So go to the top right corner, click on your shopping cart, and when you have an item here, you can of course then do that. Enter your zip code and choose your preferred store, then select an available day and one pickup window that works for you. Then add the items you want to in your cart. You can use the search function to find specific products or browse by department. Then once you have all your items, proceed to checkout, confirm your pickup time and store location, then place your order. When your order is ready, you'll receive a notification via email or text. Use a Walmart app or the link in the notification to check in when you're on the way to the store. Upon arrival, park in the, of course, curbside pickup area, where of course you can then pick up your item. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool. Until then, bye guys.